Come along with me, let's draw letter B. Start by drawing a big straight line down from the top. Add a small bump near the top on the right side. Connect the bottom with a slightly curved line to the left. Draw a big circle inside the top part. Done! You've drawn a letter B. Nice work! Next, let's draw a big ball. It looks great! Let's add some lines. The letter B is like a bouncy ball, full of energy and excitement. Just like a ball, it loves to bounce into words and make them extra fun. We're ready! Let's color them together. Light shade of green for letter B. Remember to take your time and have fun to draw the letter B. Blue, red, and yellow colored for the ball. Do you enjoy playing ball? Which games are your favorites to play? Wow, that is cool! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? There you have it! Letter B. B for ball.